Well, we're having a car show. I just remembered it about an hour ago. I'm here. I wish you were. Sorry you're not. Too bad for you. You're the one that's gonna miss out. Check out all these cars. Look at. Huh? Nothing. You got nothing because you're not here.
That's cool. What's up, everybody? It's the world famous Ghetto Bob, and we're in my own parking lot that I'm at 7 days a week, and I came right back tonight for cigars and cars. Look at all these crazy people in our parking lot. Maybe you can come one time. Hey everybody, Kevin over here at Counts Customs. Tonight we had Cigars and Cars over here. Great show up for a little Friday night cruise, and we're just happy to support. So check them out, man, they're cool people.